Hi, I'm Arabella.
I'm Ellie.
And we're the women behind Weekend Creative.
We're an art director and photographer duo, and we specialize in creative product photography.
Our clients include Camelback, Blue Bottle Coffee, Benefit Cosmetics, The Honey Pot Co., Anecdote Candles, and St. Jane Beauty, among others. With our work, we love to portray the fun, relaxed, and playful feeling that comes on the weekend.
Since we're a duo, we're often inspired by each other, and our ideas become better when we tag team and work together.
When you open your eyes and you start seeing the world, everything can be used as inspiration. Because inspiration is everywhere. Color, architecture, graphic design. The possibilities are endless.
In photography, light is king, but you can't have a king without a queen: shadows.
The absence of light is as important as light itself.
We love using light and shadow this way, and it has become a part of our creative and artistic identity.
In this Domestika course, we'll guide you through a creative product photography shoot. We'll be sharing all the tips and tricks that we have learned to create a cohesive series of dynamic images that you can use in your portfolio.
For the final project of this course, we will use one brand to create a series of 3 images that work together in harmony. We'll start by talking about the principles of photography and how you can implement them to create eye-catching images.
Then you will select the product you want to work with for the final project. We will show you how to research that product, develop concepts, create a shoot plan, and build your photo toolkit.
Once you've gathered all of your materials and equipment, we'll show you how to build your sets, style your props, and choose your lighting based off the concepts that you've developed.
You will then execute each of your photographs using different techniques to push your creativity to its fullest.
In the post-production phase, you'll learn how to edit and export your work.
At the end of this course, you will know the process of a creative product shoot from start to finish.
To complete the final project, you'll need a camera, a laptop or computer with Lightroom and Photoshop, and of course, a product to shoot.
Basic understanding of photography and intermediate knowledge of Photoshop is recommended. Enter the world of creative product photography.
Don't shy away from a good challenge.